Welcome to Uncooked Podcast listeners, and welcome to 2024. The very first episode for this year is about kinako, not kinoko, which means mushrooms. That's what I don't really like. Now let's start. Kinako for your knowledge, kinako for your life. To begin with, you'd have to know what kinako is. Kinako is soybean flour, and you can write it with two kanji. The first one means yellow, then the second one is powder. Though we just write it in hiragana, as I wrote in the title of this episode. The most well-known way of use is for rice cakes, so-called mochi. Although mochi is almost always available here, it is commonly eaten in the New Year season. We cook mochi in a grill, but it is so easy to be overcooked. So I recommend you to keep an eye on it. When it's nicely cooked, sprinkle kinako on top as if it is snowing. That meal occupies the stomach of the Japanese in the New Year season. Okay, then I'll go to the supermarket, buy kinako, and try. No, it won't be delicious, since it's just soybean flour. You'd have to make it by yourself. But how? I don't know, and I'd like to know. That's why you're listening to this episode. You can learn a recipe from Uncooked Podcast. Take a deep breath and get back to your seat. So, here's how to make flavored kinako. 4 tablespoons of kinako, 2 tablespoons of sugar, then a pinch of salt. That's it. Salt does a marvelous job. Without salt, it's too sweet. This flavored kinako is what Japanese people love. I made a kinako black tea latte, and it was great. 1 spoonful of kinako will do. Have a try. I'm sure there are some more ways of using flavored kinako. Find your own and enjoy your life with kinako. Thank you for listening. Thank you for listening to Uncooked Podcast. If you have any comments, don't hesitate to leave a message. Your comments will make the podcast better.